Hi everyone. My name is Phyllis Tuttle, and I want to welcome you to your dual credit lifetime fitness course. The dual credit is going to be coming from College of Western Idaho, or CWI. Now, I also want to give you in this short video clip sort of a preview of things to come in Unit 1 and tasks that you need to complete in order to get off to a good start in the course. To begin with, go to the materials section. You'll find it right here. Click on materials, and it's going to take you to this page. You're going to see a lot of different headings. These are your units that you'll be studying. And here is, because I'm in my view, this is just for me only. You won't have any teacher only items, but you will have the Start Here folder, and that's going to be your very top folder. You're going to want to click there. Simply put, that is exactly where you start in the class. And as you can see, there's a lot of really great information to get you going and off to a really great start as you begin your lifetime fitness course and your dual credit with CWI. You'll see right at the very top there's information on how to register, with the College of CWI, and this is exactly what you want to go to. Right here is your college registration information with CWI. And then on how to navigate your course, here's the syllabus. My contact information and link work policy is in there. I'm posting the course schedule here. And then you have some tasks. You need to go and check your understanding of the things that you've found in this folder and go through and read these things. And then when it comes down here, you need to sign and submit the academic honesty contract. Please be sure that you open that, go to the form that we have in there, read and initial it simply by typing in your initials, and at the very bottom, you're going to have to type in your name. Then save this to your hard drive and then submit it in the assignment Dropbox link. If you do those things, then you're going to really be off and running. Those are the very first two sort of assignments that must be completed in this Start Here folder. Let's go up now and take a look again at the college registration information, because I know this is something that's important to you, and you have to do this on your own. I cannot do it for you. So you go in and you will see that it gives you the name of the course, your course number, and then the section that you're in. So you're going to be going, and I'm going to give you very detailed instructions in an announcement. They're pretty simple, and I'm going to also email you a flyer in how to go to dual enroll through CWI and enroll yourself in the college aspect of this course. And this information right here is what you need to get into the right section and the right class so that you can get those credits. After that, you're going to go back to the materials and simply go down here and start in Unit 1. This is going to share with you uh, what you need to do to get started. Now, the very first thing I'd like you to do is go here and take the knowledge inventory. This knowledge inventory test is simply a pretest of what you may know about lifetime fitness and the concepts and the skills that you're going to be learning here before you start the class. It is not counted against you in your grades. So if you miss a lot of questions, don't worry about it, because you really, coming into the class, aren't supposed to know those kinds of things. This is the stuff that you're going to be learning. And at the end of the course, you will be taking another knowledge inventory to see just how much you've learned. And that's kind of a fun thing to do, because you can see, wow, I really got a lot out of this class. When I took this first knowledge inventory, this was my score, and look how much I've jumped. And the vast majority of students really see that kind of an improvement in their knowledge inventories. Again, they don't count against your grades. Then go right into the introduction, go through each of the aspects of the lesson. Don't forget discussion boards when you see them. Get in there and post and interact with your classmates and with me, and go right through every single lesson and complete the assignments as you come to them. In lesson 2, it's going to give you a very detailed orientation of your fitness log, what it is, its purpose, and how to complete it correctly. I'm also going to be sending you a little bit of information on that and posting a detailed announcement on what to do and how to fill that log out before your first one's due. Here's something though that I'd like you to remember. Every time you post a fitness log or you submit your fitness log for a unit, first of all of the workouts that you log in this fitness log must be completed during the dates of the current unit. So you can't go back and submit a fitness log, let's say in Unit 1, if we're in Unit 3, and have the Unit 3 dates. The workouts must correspond with the dates that the unit is open and running. Secondly, you'll need to be sure that you complete the workouts before you submit them. In other words, you are going to be planning, you are going to be creating a fitness plan in this class just to practice doing it. That's not your fitness log. Your fitness log is not a plan. It is literally a record of the workouts that you've done. So please submit it at the end of the unit. You could submit it in the last 3 days of the unit or on the last day of the unit. Do not submit it at the beginning of the unit, or I will have to give you a 1, which is how I score, so that you know this is incorrect. And you can go in and read my feedback or listen to my feedback, and I will share with you exactly how to correct the submission that you've done. So go through here. You're going to have mentor information. That is somebody who is an adult, has to be somebody over 18. It can be a member of your family, can be a parent, and they are going to be the one that if I need to, I can call or email and verify that your workout is true and correct. So I'll need that information. That's a graded assignment. Be sure that you get that in. There is a fitness assessment here. Now, this is kind of a great thing because you go in, you're going to do a few short activities, and it will give you some numbers of where you're at in your fitness levels in the area of cardiovascular fitness, muscular strength and endurance, flexibility, and your BMI, which is kind of body composition. So go in and take that because, again, you're going to be taking this in Unit 4 and in Unit 8, and you can compare results from each of these assessments as you go through the class and you complete your workouts. You will see some awesome improvements throughout the class if you're working out regularly as you are supposed to be doing. So that's it for Unit 1. If you have any questions at all, please communicate with me. You can call me or you can email me, and I will get back to you within 24 hours if I cannot get back to you immediately. I want you to succeed in this course. I'm here to help you in any way that I can. And don't get discouraged. If you're getting discouraged and you're thinking, oh man, I'm just going to tank it, I'm going to drop the class, contact me first and let's see if we can work out a way for you to successfully complete and get your credit. Any other questions that you have, reach out to me. I'm here to help. Thanks so much, and we're off and running.